Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to connect Bluetooth devices on Android phone. If you want to connect with Bluetooth devices on your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, just scroll down your taskbar and here you will get an option of Bluetooth. Just keep a long press on it and then tap on more Bluetooth settings. Tap here and then it will open in your phone settings. And if you want to get it here, so just go back and open phone settings, and here you have an option of Bluetooth and devices. You just have to tap on it to open it, and now you can see Bluetooth settings are opened, and here you just have to set your Bluetooth. Here you have some Bluetooth devices. You just have to tap on the device which you want to connect. I'm going to connect with this one. Just tap on it and it is pairing now, and now you can see it has successfully connected. So that's how you can connect and use Bluetooth devices from your mobile phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.